Coffee, nowadays, has been an indispensable part of almost every adult's working pack. They take coffee in the morning, during their work, or basically, anytime they feel like having a caffeine boost. Yet, strong coffee isn't for everyone. In particular, many prefer a more delicate option, latte. There you go, our honest review and additional guides on the best Nespresso machine for lattes in 2021. Go through our post at my blog, invergocoffee.com, and sift through the manufacturer's product introduction for a clearer view of each appliance, and we bet soon, you can find one to your liking. Enjoy your delicious lattes at home. Link in description of this video.